Tired of fighting over the remote? YouTube TV's family sharing feature is here to save your streaming sanity. Let's dive into how you can effortlessly set up and manage YouTube TV family sharing to give everyone in your household their own personalized viewing experience. First, make sure you're the YouTube TV plan manager. This is the person who initially signed up and pays for the subscription. Open the YouTube TV app on your phone, tablet, or computer. In the upper right corner, tap your profile picture. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. A new window will appear with a list of options. Look for and click on the Family Sharing option. This will lead you to the Family Sharing Setup page. To add family members, select Invite Family Members. You can invite up to 5 family members to join your YouTube TV plan. Now, enter the Google account email address of the person you'd like to invite. Remember, they need a Google account to accept the invitation, then press send. The person you invited will receive an email with a link to accept the invitation. Once they click the link and follow the prompts, they'll have access to YouTube TV through your family plan, with their own library, watch history, and personal recommendations. Managing your family group is just as simple. Back in the family sharing settings, you can view all members currently sharing your plan from here. You can remove members if necessary. Just click on their name and select Remove Member. And that's it. With YouTube TV family sharing setup, everyone can enjoy their favorite shows and movies on their own devices. At the same time, now you can stop fighting over the remote and start enjoying seamless streaming.